Today on Shelter Food and Beer, I'm going to be doing a Spatchcock Game Hen. The first thing I do is make a brine for the Game Hen for at least 12 to 24 hours. My brine is intentionally spicy because I want this to be a hot or spicy bird. So I made my brine kind of spicy, and I'm going to put a spicy dry rub on it too to make it nice and hot. Made up the brine out of my head. It's just a basic concept for a brine. You know, it's water, salt, and sugar, and then you add anything else you want to it. Hopefully we'll have the time and put all the ingredients to my recipe in the comment section or the description, wherever I need to put it. It's really easy to prepare this bird because it's so small. You just take a nice heavy knife and cut down the breastbone and open it up like so, and then take a towel and dry it on the inside and dry your skin on the outside really well. I like to season a little bit on the inside and then season the outside. So I'm going to start off with this Slap Your Mama. This is a Cajun seasoning and it's incredibly spicy hot. So you go very lightly with it because it does its work, believe me. And then I'll use Holy Buddha, which is also another spicy rub by Meat Church, but it doesn't bring the heat like the other ones. Slap Your Mama over here. A lot of times I don't even eat the skin, so you want the flavor to penetrate through the cooking process. Now I'm going to let that rest in the refrigerator for a couple hours. Now you don't want to cover this chicken while it's resting like this. You want to just sit it in the refrigerator and let it just kind of air dry. Some of you might have noticed that I cut through the breast instead of taking out the backbone, but that's me. I'm a trendsetter. I'm also cooking it in the oven instead of on the smoker outside because I don't want to go outside today. Okay, the bird has been in there for about 20 minutes. We're cooking it for 45 minutes at 375 degrees. I forgot to mention that earlier. 20 minutes in. So at this point, I'm going to drain off a little of the fluid. I really don't want the bird basking in its juices so much. And I'm going to put some butter on it because the butter is obviously extra flavor, but it also helps crisp up the skin and make it look beautiful. I'll put it back in, close her up, and by the way, I made some Alabama white sauce. I'm going to dip this in. Here we go. Finished product, looks delicious. I'm going to cut that in half, put half on my plate. What you want to do when it comes out of the oven, it's all nice and hot, is put the Alabama white sauce on it. Spread it around and let her rest. There you go. My Game Hen with Alabama white sauce, homemade, pickled spuds, a nice 3-bean salad, and some extra Alabama white sauce for the dipping. And this, my friends, surprisingly, is sweet iced tea. Thanks for watching. I'm going to eat this now.